Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you fix background check on Uber app. Now, if you're having issue as such, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, so I'll be showing you some of the method which you could actually go ahead and give it a try. Now, first thing what you could do is you could consider updating your application. So for that, you want to head over to your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Uber and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If that's not the case, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, what you need to do is you have to go ahead and long press the Uber application, go to this I button or the app info section, then you want to scroll down a bit and go to storage and cache, after which you want to go ahead and click on clear cache. Now if you click on clear storage, this is going to permanently delete your data, but if you're sure about it, then you could go ahead and click on the OK button, and once again re-log in, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then what you could do is you could go to the Hub Center. So for that, on the search, open up a browser, and you want to go to this browser and type in background check Uber. So when you do that, you'll be able to find a lot of links. Go ahead and press the first link that appears, that is help.uber.com. When you go to this link, you could see background check status. Now Uber background check in the United States. Alright, so you could see this check backgrounds, or you could also find out the issues, find out the reason why this issue has occurred, and you could also find the steps to fix it. So you could go ahead and read about this article. That's the way you could go ahead and fix out your background check on Uber app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.